So this is 2 tomatoes, 1 big onion chopped like this, bits of about 2 centimeter cubes, and ginger cut like this, pieces of green chili, and I have smashed all the garlic like this. And now starting with the onions first because they are the toughest, and I have already thrown in some ginger also into this. So once they are about sort of crunchy, then I will pour in all this, and thereafter only salt and pepper, and further garnish it with fresh hara dhania, kali mirch. So let's see how it proceeds. Actually at this stage we can also break 3 or 4 eggs and put it on top of this, and thereafter if we just cover it up, those eggs will be nicely poached and it should become kind of a egg pizza kind of a stuff. But today we are not doing that. We are just keeping it simple. Little bit of yogurt would have helped, but now I will go in for some soya sauce. So what I have now added on top of this: soya sauce, Maggi hot and sweet, and some olives, just to prepare the final dish to have my roti with it. And you will notice all this while I have not added any salt at all, because it's the soya sauce which itself often has adequate salt, and we don't have to fill it up with so much of salt unnecessarily. Now that it's ready, I'm just sprinkling little bit of kasuri methi to make it pungent, maybe, and I've just by gut little bit, and I am just pouring a dash of balsamic vinegar so that it gets that, and I am not doing any more cooking further. After this I am just putting the lid back on top of this, and it comes to the table like this so that the vapors spin out at the time of serving. Alright, now it's time to unpack what has been made. Here we are, what we have made. Surprisingly, though we have put so much of garlic into this, that strong smell is missing. It has become much milder, and in short, this is what it looks to be, what we have made. And the fragrance is good, which I can't capture in this camera. Thank you. And while this was being made, over my shoulder my wife, she was telling me, खुशबू तो ठीक लगती है. So I guess it's okay.